Good morning, students. Today we will start the new topic in the sense under the chapter determinant. Actually, the study now, which is upcoming study, is based on determinant plus matrix. Actually, chapter matrix already have done, but the next study is actually mixed study of determinant matrix. So, what new topic is coming? This is the topic is adjoint of matrix. Look at the word matrix. Adjoint of matrix. Okay. Now let me speak something. This is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, and third A3, B3, and C3. This is matrix. Keep in mind it is matrix. And we are learning here the term adjoint of A, adjoint of matrix A, which is shortly called ADJ, adjoint of A, adjoint of A. It's shortly called ADJ, adjoint of A. And how we can find adjoint A? That is the thing which we have to find out. What is adjoint A? It is simple a procedure. So first of all, hear me carefully. This is the formula of finding cofactor. So in this procedure, first of all, you have to find the cofactor of all the elements. Meaning, you have to find the cofactor of A1, which is called C11. C11. You have to find the cofactor of B1, which is called first 2, C12. You have to find the cofactor of C1, which is called first third, C13. And similarly, C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, 32, and 33. It's a lengthy procedure. You have to find the cofactors of all the elements. And then, students, you form a matrix, another matrix which formed by cofactor of all the elements. Meaning cofactor of A1, which is C11, will be written here. The cofactor of B1, which is C12, will be written here. The cofactor of C1, which is C13, which will be written here. And I think nothing to tell you because it's very similar work. You can create another matrix which formed by cofactor of all the elements. And this is named called capital C. You also can denote by any other symbol, but it is used to symbol capital C. And what is adjoint A? So lastly, I would define you that adjoint A meaning transpose of C. This C already we got. We just had to take its transpose. You know transpose. How to find transpose? You have to change the row and column by each other. C11, C12, C13 will be written in column. C21, C22, C23 will be written in column, and similar. So C dash is very familiar word now with you because already we have taught this. We have studied that. So adjoint of A is equal to C dash, and that is a final definition of adjoint A. Okay. So this is a simple procedure. So what to find? First, use this formula. Find all the cofactors, elements of of all the elements, and then find your C, and then find its transpose, and that will be end. Okay. So this was a simple method with symbol. I told here. Now I wanna take here one example for you. So let me search out where it may be. So I want to find question number 2 of the exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. Question number 2 says, let A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 3 and 5, minus 2, 0 and 1. And we are told find the adjoint of A. Find the adjoint of each of the matrix. Okay. So let begin now. That how we'll start. First of all, as I told you to start, we know Write the formula Cij minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. This is a formula of cofactor. So this is actually matrix. Actually, we saw the procedure cofactor in the determinant case, but similar procedure will be followed in the matrix section. But how we can do it, I want to say Mij here is very important, which actually depend on determinant. Even it is matrix, but it will be found by the determinant. Like what? First of all, we will find C11. We need not write here the cofactor of 1. We need not write here the cofactor of 1. Only write C11. C11 meaning the element which is lying in first or first column, meaning 1. The cofactor of 1, C11 equal to minus 1 to the power, look at 1 plus 1, M11. Now one should clear that minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 meaning 2. 2. So C11 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 meaning positive. And M11, it's very clear. It's very clear. Meaning these two dropped. Now use determinant sign. I again tell you, now use determinant sign because it is M, meaning minor, and minus or minor always define on a determinant. So use M113501 and open it by all the way. You will get 3 ones are 3, 5 zeros are 0. The basic thing is, if you will think about minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, which is 2, so it is using plus sign. Plus sign. So why I am actually telling you with the force that it is using plus sign? I know the answer is 3. When you will go up the next C12, what is the meaning of C12? This is cofactor of 1, 2 element, meaning this element, first row, second column. So okay, go on. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, which is 3, and M12. When you will open it, minus 1 to the power 3, it is minus actually. And M12 is very simple now. These two will drop 2, 5, minus 2, 0, sorry, 1 will be here. These two dropped. 2, 5, minus 2, 1. When you will talk about that expansion, 2 ones are 2, minus 5 to the minus, minus plus 10. So final focus is, this was plus, this is minus. So alternatively, we should remember that C11 is a positive sign, C12 is a negative sign. So upcoming C13 will be positive sign, C21 will be negative sign. So it's very simple now. One should know it's very easy. That is C12. If I am finding C13, what do you think directly? So I don't want to waste the time now. I am not writing that step directly. That C13, 1 and 3 will be 4, meaning minus 1 to the power 4, meaning positive sign. So that only I am not writing directly, positive sign is being here, and it is M13. What is M13? These two dropped and only remaining this position. So can you directly open it? This position 0 into this 0, minus 6 meaning plus 6. So student, this is very simple work. This is 6. Now keep in your mind, it is positive, it is a negative, it is positive. And in single sentences now, say C11, C12, C13, C21. What coming C21? Negative. Because 2 and 1, 3. Minus 1 to the power 3 is positive, negative. So negative used here. And don't write all M21 something like that. Directly use it. What is the minus of 2? That these two will be dropped. Minus 1, 2, 0, 1. 1 ones are 1 and 0 into 2. So ultimately we'll have a 1 answer. So C22 will be positive sign. These two will be dropped. 1 ones are 1, minus 4 meaning plus 4 meaning it is a 5. C23 it itself a negative sign. Minus of that 2, 3 dropped. 0 into 1 0, minus 2 ones are 2. So answer is 2. That C31 will be positive sign. The minus of that used here. These two will be dropped. 5 ones are 5, minus 3 twos are 6. Again look, C31, 3 and 1, 5 ones are 5, 3 twos are 6. 3 2 will be negative sign, and minus of that is these two drop. 5 ones are 5, minus 2 twos are 4 is equal to minus 1. And lastly, look at 3 2, 5 ones are 5, 2 twos are 4. And lastly, C33 is a positive sign. Minus of that is these two drop. 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2 plus 2. So students, this is all the cofactor. So procedure is bit lengthy, but you just have to use a single line work. This. You don't have to go with all 3-line work. You can directly write like that. And further one, what I have told, that find your C. So what is C? C is actually the another new matrix which formed by cofactor of these elements. So go on. C11 is a 3, C12 is a -12, C13 is a 6. In quick way we can write -11, -1 and 5. This is your C. So this is C. Then what finally you have to find out adjoint A, which is actually C dash. And what is C dash? Is very simple. 3 -12 6. Row will be written in column. 1 5 2. This is like that, and -11 -1 and 5. This is answer. This is adjoint of A. This is adjoint of A. So this belongs very simple procedure. One can do it very easily, in very easy way, where you just have to care about the sign. Sign should not be mistaken. Otherwise, if sign will be wrong, definitely answer will be wrong. Okay, so let's see. This was a 3x3 question. Now I want to take a 2x2 question and want to tell you one trick for 2x2. Okay, let me take it. Question number 1 of exercise, and question is 1 2 3 4. Question is find adjoint A. So I want to say this is 2x2 matrix. So 3x3 matrix, for that I have told you whole the work. But for 2x2 matrix I have a trick. First I want to tell you whole. Look at Cij -1 to the power I plus j. Initiative, we have to write it. Okay, what is C11? Cofactor of 1. What I will write, you know it. 1 1 positive sign. And these two dropped, only 4 will remain. So you need not write 4 in the determinant because single element is there. Again, C12 is itself 1 2 negative sign. C12 meaning cofactor of 2, meaning these two dropped, only 3 will remain. C21 is negative sign because 2 and 1 3. So C21 is a cofactor of this element, so these two dropped, only 2 remaining. And C22 will be positive sign, 2 2 meaning cofactor of this element, so these two dropped, only 1 will be there. So it is actually a bit easy because it is a 2x2. After finding that, only have to write a single element. We don't have to use the determinant because in last section we had a 3x3 matrices, and that's why we had here the determinant of 2x2. This time a single element. Okay, fine. What will have next? C is, you know, the formation of C. C11, C12, C21, C22. So C11 is a 4, C22 is a -3, this is -20, this is 1. This is not an answer, this is C. So what is adjoint of A? Look at here. So adjoint of A is itself C dash, and what is C dash? This is 4 -3 will be written in the column, and -2 and 1 will be written like that. And now look at that, you got answer. So what was the trick? Actually, just match this and this. Can you skip directly without doing all the procedure? Jump there. Look at what I want to say. 1 2 3 4, you have a A. You can directly find adjoint A by replacing 1 and 4 to each other. By replacing, write 4 here and write 1 here. Just interchange this particular diagonal 4 1. Look at 4 1 and change their sign only without replacing them. Just change their sign. 2 is a positive, can become a negative, and 3 is a positive, become a negative. So what to do? Just interchange these two elements without changing any sign, and only change the sign without interchanging. Like what? If I put a question for you that it is 1 -2 3 -4, find its adjoint A. So what short trick is? Change them, interchange them. -4 right here and 1 here, and change the sign only. It is 2, it is -2. That's the answer. So this is just for 2x2 determinant matrices, but for 3x3 you have to complete. You have to do it complete. Okay. So student, that was initial to tell you. It's very again important, and without rubbing on, I want to write this section here because I want to explain something special here. Adjoint A is equal to C dash And what answer? Adjoint A is equal to, that is 4 minus 3 minus 2 and 1. And that's an answer. Okay, so I don't want to rub this section. Student, try to hear me. I don't want to rub this section because I am telling you a standard result. I am telling you the standard result, which is if A is any square matrix, then A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I. You can see on the board that this is a standard result, meaning for every square matrix like A, it is always true. It is always true. This was, what is A? 2 by 2 square matrix. Meaning, whatever it is written, it should true for this particular A. You have a you got adjoint A. So you are having everything. Now, can we verify that with A and adjoint A? Yes. We will try to take LHS. So, what is LHS? A into adjoint A. Put up the values, guys. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is adjoint A? We got 4 minus 2 and minus 3 and 1, and multiply them. What comes finally? First row, first column. Hope you haven't forgotten this. I think you remember that. This 2 will multiply. 1 4s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. First row, second column done. Second row, first column 12, 12, and these two will minus 6 plus 4. What coming finally? Minus 2. This is 0. This is 0. This is minus 2, and that's done. This is what side? LHS. Now middle portion will be, middle part will be adjoint A into A. What is adjoint A? What is adjoint A? 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 into A. What is A? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now multiply them. First row, first column 4 minus 6, 8, minus 8, minus 3, plus 3, minus 6, plus 4. This is minus 2, 0, 0 and minus 2. These two sections are equal. Now I want to do right hand side. Determinant A into I. Determinant A. Look at determinant A. This is matrix A. And this is determinant A. So determinant A will be written in determinant section. So all the element will be written in determinant sign 1 2 3 4, and I is I is itself what? Unit matrix. So for unit matrix, in matrix sign, student, you have to concern that what sign you have to use. This time determinant, and here it is matrices. Okay, open it. It says determinant, so it will be open. 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, but it cannot open because it is matrix. And these two will be minus 2, 1 0 0 1, and multiply minus 2 in all elements, guys. Here this is, so all parts you can see are equal, meaning for every square matrix it is a standard fact. So student, hope you got here. Now the simple question is on for you. You start 4.5 exercise, question number 1 2 already explained here, 3 4 and till question number 10. Sorry, question number 1 2 3 4, only 4 questions. So do try them here, and if you still having any doubt, I don't think that's whatever the procedure is simple. You might not have any doubt. Still, if you have any doubt, you can consult with me. So we'll discuss further work tomorrow. Thank you.